Okay, Ranger is back in my house. See? There he is. He's in the back of the rec room, which this used to be a double garage when my mom was a kid, but then her parents later turned this room into, or turned the double garage into a rec room, and that door, that's the laundry room. And then we've got a back door that leads into the backyard. So this is, you can see that's cement ground that's been painted and it's all smooth. So it's a hard cement floor, and we had carpeting in here at one point. And yeah, Ranger's sniffing around, exploring. He's been the only cat, I think the only animal that's been in our house for quite some time. See, he's back there. Come on, Ranger. You want to go see if Monroe is around? Yeah, you're a good cat. A good C-A-T-T. Yeah, I'm reluctant to let you out that way because I think there's spider webs out there. There might be black widows, and I don't feel comfortable letting you out near the black widows.